Okay, welcome to the class, the Cavalry India, and I'm Vikram Khatri. I'm going to be your interviewing officer. Flight Lieutenant Vaibhav today, who was our student here. In fact, I remember coaching him, and he was here with us in 2016, and in 17 he got commissioned, and we're very happy that he come here. Vaibhav, please come. Come this way. Yeah, come here. So he's posted in Sita in Haryana now, flight lieutenant, and it is a great pride for us as much as for him that he is a commissioned officer. He was sitting there a year or two back, and he's up here facing you. Now I would like him to please give a big hand to him. And he will talk to you as to how he got selected. I would like to cover how was the utility value of how your training here and what all you did to get selected. And then you are open to ask him, how did he get selected? What did he do in the GTO task on the technical test or the interview? Anything that you want to, what is tickling your mind, you ask him how he got it. And I would like to emphasize the highlights of your success in the SSB and life as a flight lieutenant, brief deep on the life that he is leading now, which you would want to step in. Okay. And subsequently we'll discuss what the different life is about. But now over to Vaibhav to tell you as to how he got selected. What are the utility value or how useful the training was for the Cavalry India. This is one of the finest academies who teaches people, trains people for the SSB. And we have got the All India presence. We are pushing now, starting from Trivandrum to Kochi to Bangalore to Hyderabad to Pune to Delhi to Chandigarh, and we can go to some in Calcutta and Lucknow too. So we have All India presence and train the maximum people, and consequently maximum people will be selected. In any academy, any course you will find Cavalier candidate there. And one of them is here to address to you as to how he got selected and what you advise for you and any question that you want to ask him as to how to get over to Vaibhav.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. I am Flight Lieutenant Vaibhav Pal, already introduced by sir. I am right now posted in Sirsa, and I'm in Indian Air Force. Currently, I am flying Su-30s, and I came here in 2013. And in 2013, after coming out of 12th, I decided that I have to go. I joined engineering college also, but I had in my mindset that I have to go through this path because my father, he at that time he was serving in Indian Air Force only. I had that. I was in this defense field. At least I have seen some of it. So after that, I came here. I did my coaching. At that time, this building was not there, I guess, sir.
Yeah,
At that time, we
you
were
were
in
in Kalyani.
Kalyani. So did my coaching, and then I went for SSB, got selected, lucky. And after that, I joined NDA.
No, I would say lucky. All those who get selected is your effort. I would say. We do try to help you out to expose yourself, build yourself. So ultimately, when you pass, this is your success. We are happy that we are with the background to push you up there when you succeed. For success, you have to get it in value, like where there's you train him, but then you have to perform to succeed.
In 2013, I joined NDA. This academy was because nobody know about all these inside of these academies. So it from outside you look at that place in videos or through social media or in platform, or some of you might be lucky to see, as I can see my sister is sitting here. So you know, some of you might be knowing some things about this organization. Many of you might not be aware of it, but this organization which you will be going to join, either it is Army, Navy, or Air Force. It's full of challenges, and you're going to lead an adventurous life. The next moment you will not be knowing what you are going to do, but this is what you are going to be trained, and then this is what you are going to do as you step into this organization. And there are certain number of qualities which will be seen through all through these SSB interviews when you go through the selection procedure. And at that time, they'll assess that you will be able to undergo all these challenges, and uh, because you will have uh, I would say the I would be saying that the whole country will be looking up to you. The steps which will be taking, or the challenges which you will be going through. So during these SSB interviews might be assessed on various number of parameters which will be taught here. So the only advice I would give you is that you have to be true to yourself. You don't have to try to become one which you are not. You just have to be what you are, do and showcase your qualities which you have, which you already have. This is the only thing which you will be taught here, and then you will be taught how to go through that for all 5 days, each and every. I think the seniors which are here, they must be knowing about all the things, and others who have joined right now might have studied about it, how this SSG interview goes through. So you just have to do what will be taught here, showcase your qualities, and be true to yourself, and you will be going through, and you will be passing out with flying colors. Anyone, if anyone has
And
any,
can you tell them how you got, what do you think you displayed there that you got through? Any tips to get through this?
tips as such, the only thing that you have to showcase in SSB interviews, if you have certain number of qualities, but if you not showcase them, they'll not. This is selection interview, wherein you are showing them that you have these certain number of qualities. This is the only thing they want. If you are able to showcase them, all the number of the tasks which are given there, whether it is a GDO or whether you are facing an interview, so they'll be selecting you. And it is take out that notion that in SSB you get rejected. So SSB is a place where they already select you. Only thing, when you don't show these good qualities, they try separate them out. All you guys are already selected. This is the thing I want to say.
Any question?
So how do you manage your time in OIM? Like I have heard that there is no one is. So how do you manage your time in OIM?
See, for OIR, that is, I think, the first exam which written test which we did. So in that, what the thing which I did was first completing all the easy is whenever you just look at that question and you know that this is easy one which I'll be able to go through. Just first complete all the easy questions, and since you don't have clock, I think I cannot recall this that whether there was clock at that time or not, but just go through the easy ones first, complete it, and then go back again. If you are spending more time in one question, then you just leave it. There is no point pressing on that same question which you are not able to solve at that time. Just move ahead. Go to the next question. You're able to solve it, solve it. Go to next question. Do not waste time. Anything else?
Loud, say loud.
This thing, I think, sir will be able to teach you.
What do you want? Yeah.
is, I think, an introspection which you have to do in yourself, what you are, and introspect that what you are and how you deal with things, any situation. So you just have to think, sit down, think, and then answer those things.
We'll show you as to what you are supposed to display there. We call it OLQs. And how to show those OLQs, we'll teach you today. Okay. And that those OLQs are seen by all three: the interviewing officer, by the GTO, and the psychologist. There are only 15 of them. And as well said, all of you have those qualities. All of us have got it. So you have to showcase it and show it. And how you are going to show it, that comes with, you have to examine yourself, you have to introspect yourself, as it's saying, and see how you are going to show this and showcase the qualities. I always say here, in psychological test, be positive. In GTO test, be active, both physically and mentally. Give ideas, go ahead and hold the baldi, hold the rassi, give the ideas. Be active, both physically and mentally. In fact, mentally and physically. And in interview, my pet sentence is, be you. Be yourself. If you are going to act what you are not, you'll be caught. You'll not be normal yourself actually, because you are trying to act. No, be yourself. And since you are here to go to SSB, or selected people go to SSB, so you already have you in you. So only thing you have to showcase, that is saying, and display it apparently for them to see what you have, those qualities. So that we'll see, we'll train you here. And as you go on the next 2 weeks here with us, we'll try to, now it is a more of a personality test. It's a more of a personality test. You have to display yourself and showcase yourself and show it. Yeah. Another doubt?
Anything anyone want to ask?
So regarding PPT, SRT and so there is actually a background that you actually think like negative stories. There are negative things. I only go for positive stories. Is it actually to like the stories would be negative? As for those are
There is nothing negative in life. There is no story to negative. There is you are saying it negative.
the story is negative.
How can it be negative? Tell me one story which is negative.
Like
Yeah, let's say, just the worst what can happen is one boy is chasing a child, okay, and hitting him. Negative scene. Make it positive. He was a very good boy, but he was doing something wrong that he thought to correct him. He is right. You can always make it a positive way, isn't it? Negative has to, a word will come bad in the psychological test. You can write good. Ram is a good boy. You are not using bad word at all. It's accepted. So nothing negative. Don't think negative at all. You are going to think positive about yourself. Totally. Okay, na? When we say, tell me your strengths and weaknesses, we are trying to see whether you know what you need to overcome. That is a positive sign, not a negative sign. We're not asking negative quality to you. We're asking how positively are you trying to improve yourself. Once you know what you don't know, then you know. Again, my famous word, I'll tell you in the class. If you know what you don't know, then you will know. But if you don't know what you don't know, then what do you know? That is the basics of मीन्स अगर जानते हो कि तुम क्या नहीं जानते हो तो जानोगे ना तुम जानते ही नहीं हो क्या जानते नहीं हो तो जानोगे क्या so it is we are going to train you here we are going to open your mindset your heart and your mind and your body I would say and present you now how much you open up how much you assimilate depends on you we are here as directors instructors to guide you to take the horses to the water but it is the horse to bring the water. So if you have come here with a view, you will get something here, no. We are going to expose yourself. And how you want to get exposed? and assimilate what we teach here depends on you. If you take it positively, you will improve. If you take it negatively, sorry. There's nothing negative in life, right? The dark comes because there is a hope of sunshine coming, that is there. What is the dark? Hey, dark is a spell for you to rest. Hey, it's not a dark and gloomy and negative. No. A night is a very positive sign of a day arriving the next day, afresh. You are resting and rejuvenating to come to the next day. Everything is positive in life. Remember this. Nothing is negative. That's the mindset you have to go with. Yeah.
Same thing.
Anything else?
If you see any picture, the thing which comes in your mind should be positive. There you might, it is our own perception. Whatever we see, you have to write. So you have to train yourself, be positive, and you have to frame a story.
We'll talk more on this. Don't worry. We'll try to change your mindset to positivity. We'll try to change your mindset to positivity.
Yes.
Say it loudly.
I did EABT. That was in Varanasi. So after my selection in Allahabad, I went to Varanasi for EABT. That time, I think this new system which has come, it was not there. That same old joystick game. It was easy. I mean, you guys play video games, computer games also. It's just like that. Simple. We'll be able to do it.
PABT is an instinctive knowledge that you possess. You either have it or you don't have it. That's why all can't become a pilot. These are natural reactions to a situation, which varies from person to person. So they select you, those who have got those responses right, they get the chance to be a pilot. That's all. It is, yeah, you can train it to an extent by little practice. But I think it is very intuitive and it is God will give to an extent. But you can, of course, always train yourself. But then again, train in a positive manner. Okay. Anything else?
Then tell them that these are my weaknesses and I'm working on these things.
Hey, what is the question? That is your weakness, not mine. Nobody can answer your weakness except yourself. Means you should know. I just sent a sentence that if you know your weakness, you are likely to improve. If you don't know, then you want to improve. Your weakness is not the same weakness with others. If weakness, strength, and weakness are all personal. The degree may vary. There is common. Let's say you are confident. Confidence level varies from person to person. The weakness also varies. And some of the weaknesses are actually personal. Actually. People, when I ask you, tell me your weaknesses, you are very, you think that you are revealing yourself, your weaknesses. No. We will not take it in negative manner. We'll take it in a positive manner. Oh, you know what your weaknesses are, and you are likely to improve it. If you don't know your weakness, you won't improve it. My famous saying, if you know that you don't know, you'll know. If you don't know what you don't know, you'll never know. That's the basics. Basic. You have to know yourself. Will make you search yourself a lot here. Don't you? Yeah.
Any questions?
Another question. Thank you, Vipin. Give me a good hand again. If you want to get through, look like it. Hey, look handsome. Look, body looks tough. Isn't it? Look full of confidence. And there he is. So you have to have put one thing in you, ingrained, self-confidence. You have to believe in yourself. Be confident.
Thank you very much and all the best. Both. The staff here is actually helping and we'll be able to in their able guidance, we'll be able to get through. Best of luck. Thank you, sir.
All the best. All the best. Thank you. Thank you for